Welcome to the Computer Graphics online lecture. Myself, Poonam Jadhav from Viva College of Today's presentation on small introduction of computer graphics and MSBT iScheme syllabus of computer graphics. First, we are see what is computer graphics. Computer graphics may be defined as a pictorial representation or graphical representation of an object in a computer. Or computer graphics is the art of the drawing pictures, line, chart, etc. using a computer with the help of the computer program. Or in an easy way, graphic means pictures and image is draw by line, point and etc. In this slide, we see animation movies image. It is a one of application of computer graphics. Animation means moving pictures by using a programming command. This is a small information about the computer graphics. We will see the brief information about computer graphics in next presentation. Now let's start with discussing syllabus of computer graphics. Chapter number 1, Basic of Computer Graphics. In this chapter, we see basic definition related to the computer graphics. The point number 1.1, image, object, basic graphics pipeline, application of computer. 1.2, give the information about the display device. 1.3 is output primitives. 1.4 is a graphic function and standards, and 1.5 is a latest trend in computer graphics. Chapter number 2 is a raster scan graphics. In first point 2.1, basic concept in line drawing. We are using here DDA algorithm and Bresson algorithm for draw a line and also solving a maths depending upon the algorithm. 2.2, we can generate a circle algorithm by using a Bresson algorithm and also see the sums. 2.3 is a polygons. There are different types of polygons and field algorithms. In 2.4, the scan conversion and frame buffer information. And 2.5, character generation methods like stroke and bitmap. In chapter number 3, over of transformation. So 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4 are basics transformation like translation, scaling, rotation, reflection and sharing. For two-dimensional, homogeneous coordination. For composite transformation and three-dimensional transformation. And last one topic is 3.5, the types of projection. For transformation, we are using matrices of mathematics. Chapter number 4, windowing and clipping. 4.1, windowing and clipping concept. Here we are see all algorithms for line clipping and polygon clipping and also for text clipping. Chapter number 5 for introduction of curves and algorithms for curve generation by using a DDA algorithm and interpolation. And 5.2 we see types of curves, different types of curves. So in computer graphics we have a MSBT syllabus is 5 chapters, and last slide is learning resource. By this slide you can see the different types of books and author names, so you can refer for making a notes, and software learning websites also. You can download this syllabus or curriculum on MSBT side also. Thank you.